Howdy folks, TJ here. Thought it'd be kind of fun. It's Wednesday night. Tomorrow's 4th of July, so we have tomorrow off. And I thought, what the heck, why don't I try connecting my Toastrack to my little projector, HDMI projector, to my big screen, pull-down screen for projectors. This guy is about 120 inches. At the distance I have my camera, it's going to fill in about maybe 100 inches of it or so. And this little projector is a fairly cheap one. It's only a 480 dp or a 480p, and it's not super bright, so this may not come in phenomenal. But my wife's out for a walk tonight. I've got the home cave or the man cave to myself, which is the living room. So I've got all sorts of stuff connected. I got my Toastrack and connected to my little HDMI camera. I'm going to film it, so I've got my projector what the heck is that thing called? Anyway, I'm going to play my own game as a first game on this big 120-inch screen. So let me just kind of show you around the room quick. This is where one of my pooches, our one and only pooch right now, gets to play and sleep in the house and chew on her bones. And this is basically my living room that I'm in. And we've got a nice fireplace, and that's an antique working phonograph over there, witch hat style. And my wife likes a lot of art and stuff, so we've got some art pieces around, a big old cat stand, her workout bike, and my fly tying table. And now everything I can see is kind of getting dark. And let's go ahead and give the game a try. I don't know how well it's going to come in, but why not, give it a try? What the heck? Alright, I thought it'd be kind of fun to play my Invasion of the Cloud people on the big 120-inch screen. I would say it's filling in maybe about a 90 to 100 inches or so. And I'm going to go ahead and give this game a try. I just played it here a moment ago and did pretty good. I went into level 5 there. But let's see if I can get a little further, or my luck, probably not. Invasion of the Cloud people in big screen. How cool is that? For me it is. So I have this connected to a nice Bluetooth speaker setup. It has a wireless bass box to it, so the sound should be coming through pretty good. The video may look a little washed out. It's kind of dark. This is not the best projector. It's a fairly cheap one, about $150. Normally it was on special for $75 at B&H Photography, so I couldn't help but grab one. I wouldn't mind getting a better one day that's 1080p and brighter. This one I pretty much need to use at night, and it's daylight still, so. Oh! Lame move. Oh! On the level 4. All right, on the level 5. Lightning got me. Got my key. I couldn't advance. Well, hopefully that turned out bright enough where you could at least see what was going on. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll spark up another game, Pac-Man or something like that. See ya. All right, let's try a little bit of Pac-Man to continue my evening of fun. S to start. I wonder if I can do the O, yeah, OPQA. All right. Looks like a pretty good version for a Speccy. Here for Pac-Man. I'm impressed. that's enough of Pac-Man. I'm doing pretty good. Still have a life. Trying to find another game to play here for a little bit. All right, let's try to play Thread. This is one where I'm going to have to shoot, so I could do pretty poorly. Oh, there's a ghost or something. Run! I don't know if there's treasure in here. Hopefully there's something. The hell's that thing? Shoot! Jump! Oh! Go! Up! Alright. So far I haven't seen any type of treasures or anything. Oh crap! Oh crap! Well, that's a dead end. Oh, hell. Oh! You'd think there would be some type of treasure or something in here. I don't got much power left. I'm about to die. And I don't think I found one piece of treasure. That's not cool. This looks like a pretty interesting game, though. Maybe I need to watch some YouTube stuff on it to see what the object of the game here is. So far, I haven't found any type of treats or anything. Maybe something's in here. No? Oh, hell. There's a ghost there. Oh, so I died and I don't think I got one piece of treasure. There's a map there. Yeah. Congratulations. You have one of today's greatest and to your initials. Yeah. DJ! I don't think there's an option for nothing. Nope. TJZ. I'll have to read up on this game. Looks interesting.